Hey, if you're trying to beat this dream shrine, I'm going to show you how here. You need the Pegasus boots. So if you haven't finished the third dungeon yet, you can't do this. So make sure you have the Pegasus boots because it is required. And once you have them, you can use those Pegasus boots to push these bad boys out of the way. So just kind of rush along each spot, give them a whack, each single one of them, and it works great. So that's how you do it. Pretty simple once you have the Pegasus boots. I hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, please like it. And don't subscribe to me because I don't want any subscribers.